Let us start by removing those symmetrical bolts on both sides of your rear vehicle bracket. Keep in mind, we are demonstrating just one side here, but there is another matching bolt on the opposite side. Gently lift out your new accessory package. Now align those 3 clever clamping tabs with their designated spots. You will hear satisfying clicks when they lock into perfect positions. Time to sectionally assemble these components onto your vehicle. Think of it like assembling puzzle pieces that were designed to fit together smoothly. There we go. Your upgrade installation is now complete and ready for road adventures.